What's up guys, welcome to a new video. This is a very exciting one because just a while back I ordered a new bike and it arrived today. I'm so stoked, my dudes. So let's unpack this box and have a look. Ta-da! So the bike is all set up. It's really a very easy process. Just takes half an hour. I just finished putting on the pedals. I highly recommend putting on mountain bike pedals and buying mountain bike shoes, because on the gravel bike you'll probably be walking quite a lot on rocks and muddy surface. So I can highly recommend putting on mountain bike pedals and shoes so you don't mess up your pretty road shoes. So if you're not sure about your saddle height or stem height, I suggest you get a professional bike fit, because when you're out on a bike for a long time, you're gonna get sore knees, sore back, maybe numb hands, so you really want to avoid that. So about the bike, it is a Canon Grizl CF SL6 in Earl Grey. It's a size small. It's fitted with DT Swiss C1850 Spline wheels on Schwalbe G-One Bite with a tan sidewall. It has the GRX groupset, GRX disc brakes. I put on Shimano pedals. Very nice bike. It's got a lot of attachment points here on the fork, even underneath here. Ideal for bikepacking. Overall, beautiful bike, really love it. It's a carbon fiber frame, so it's just under 10 kg in weight. Of course the tires weigh a lot. They're 45 mils and the frame can go up to 50 mil, which is a very wide tire, basically a mountain bike tire. So enough with the specs. All that's left for me to do is take my new bike out for a bike on World Bicycle Day. Perfect timing. Please give a big thumbs up if you like the video, subscribe for maybe some cool gravel adventure in the future, and see you in the next one. Bye!